Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about logic, particularly conjunction and disjunction and its real life application. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and click the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about conjunction and disjunction and its real life application. So, what is conjunction is all about? Conjunction of the preposition P and Q is denoted by P, there is a parang hot Q, or as we read, that is P and Q, and is defined through its truth table. So we have P and Q. So we have true, true, false, false, and Q is true, false, true, false. For P conjuncts Q, as we read, we have true and true, our answer is true. True and false, our answer is false. False and true, our answer is false. False and false, our answer is false. So, the preposition P and Q are called conjuncts. That's why the conjunction P conjuncts Q is true only when both conjuncts P and Q are true, as shown in the truth table. Meaning to say, if T plus T in the conjunction symbol, it is always true. But if it is not the same as T, therefore the answer will be false. So, dapat laging parehong T ang ating given na statements. The hypothesis and the conclusion in the conjunction. Okay? P conjuncts Q. So that's all about for conjunction. Now, another, we have PQR as our propositions, and we have 8 rows for PQ and R. Now, what is P conjuncts R? So let's have P conjuncts R. So that's true because they are both true. The hypothesis and the conclusion is true. TF, that's false. T, that's true. TF, that's false. FT, that's false. FF, that's false again. FT, false. FF, false. We only have 2 true here. Okay? So because there are only 2 statements who have a hypothesis that is true and a conclusion that is true. Real life application. Let P and Q be the prepositions. P, angels exist. Q, pi is greater than 3. Express the following conjunction in English sentences or in symbols as the case may be. Let's start with number 1. P conjuncts Q, meaning to say, that is if. Okay? Conjuncts meaning to say and, right? Angels exist and pi is greater than 3. Okay? That's the English sentence for number 1. Number 2. P conjuncts not Q. Conjuncts means and. So that is angels exist and pi is less than or equal to 3. Ano ba yung kasalungat ng greater than? E di less than at saka equal. Right? So, kapag sinula mo siya, that will be less than or equal to 3. Because that is not Q. Hindi siya ito. So, titignan mo yung kanyang negation. Okay? Another. Angels do not exist and pi is greater than or equal to 3. Angel do not exist. It is different from our proposition. Therefore, not P conjuncts because the word and. What's this? Not Q, right? Conjuncts not Q then. Kasi iba siya. While angels do not exist, pi is greater than 3. So that is not P conjuncts Q. Okay, so let's see. So for number 1, angels exist and pi is greater than 3. Number 2, angels exist and pi is less than or equal to 3. Or angels exist and pi is not greater than 3. So pwede rin palang lagyan ng is not. For number 3, we have not P conjuncts not Q. So tama tayo kanina. And 4, not P conjuncts Q. Tama rin tayo doon. Next, disjunction. So what is disjunction all about? The disjunction of two preposition P and Q is denoted by PVQ or pag binasa mo, P or Q. So kanina, P conjuncts Q, that is P and Q. This one, PVQ, mean to say P disjuncts Q or P or Q. And it's defined through its truth table. So how about that one? So we have PQ as our two statement. If the hypothesis is true, and the conclusion is true for the PVT, or P disjuncts Q, or P or Q, that is true. True, false, the conclusion is still the answer is true. F, but the conclusion is true, it is true. But if both hypothesis and the conclusion are false, that's the only thing that in the disjunction it will become false. The preposition P and Q are called disjunct. The above truth table shows us that the disjunction P or Q is false only when both disjuncts P and Q are false. So magiging false lang siya kapag ang hypothesis at ang conclusion ay parehong false. Let's have another one. P, VQ, P or Q. So we have true, so it's true. TF, it's still T. TT, we have T. TF, T. FT, T. FF, so that's false. FT, T, and FF, F. I hope you already get the clue in determining disjunction. Now let's have the real life application of this one. So let's have these statements. Let PQR be the following proposition. P, Victor has a date with Lisa. Q, January is sleeping. R, Yumir is eating. Express the following proposition in English sentences or in symbol as the case may be. In the 1, 2, 3, we have the symbols, so we will express them in English. Okay? Remember that V is or. So mean to say P or Q. So, Victor has a date with Lisa or January is sleeping. So, that's the answer for number 1. Number 2, Q or not R. Q, January is sleeping or Yumir is not eating because this is a negation. So, is not eating. P, V, Q, V, R. Ibig sabihin, Victor has a date with Lisa or January is sleeping or Yumir is eating. So, that's all about 1, 2, 3 examples into English sentences. Now, let's have the symbols. Okay. Victor has a date with Lisa. I think this is the solution for number 3. Number 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, for number 4, this is number 4. We will translate them naman into letter. So, okay. Either Victor has a date with Lisa or January is sleeping or Yumir is eating. So, this one tells about this all. So, pwede siyang P, V, Q, V, R or P disjuncts Q, disjuncts R. Kasi lahat sila may or. Either Victor has a date with Lisa and January is sleeping. Okay, there's an N here. Or Yumir is eating. So we have January is sleeping. So I think they're all true actually. They get in the example 5, we all get all of this. Wala namang negation na nakikita. So our answer may be P conjuncts because this N. Q disjuncts R. So, ganun siya. Either Victor has a date with Lisa or January is sleeping and Yumir is eating. So, this one, P disjuncts Q conjuncts R. Conjuncts, okay, because of the word N. Either Victor has a date with Lisa and January is sleeping, or Victor has a date with Lisa and Ymir is eating. So we have P conjuncts Q disjuncts P conjuncts R. Let's see. I think there is a solution here. Okay, these are the solutions in number 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can go back na lang to the statements to check if the answer that we gave a while ago is the same with these solutions. Okay, so with that, thank you very much for listening. So that's all about our topic on the conjunction and disjunction and their real life application. Our next lesson is all about conditional and biconditional statements. With that, thank you very much for listening.